cabinet. Let's open her up. This is a really neat cabinet. It is a 6-inch wide pantry pull-out cabinet. Oh, and it is upside down. Watch out, Archie. To be scribed along the bottom and leveled and installed. And then there is also a door panel to go on that will attach to these. So now we have switched out one of the bulb covers. We've just realized in the middle of install that it's the wrong color. It was supposed to be white with gray veining, and what they cut and sent is more of a plain white with a subtle speckle. So should I send it back? And if I do, they'll be throwing away this quartz into the garbage, and I'll be waiting another month with no countertops. Well, I decided that I actually really like it, perhaps even more so than the one I originally chose. Perhaps it's one of those beautiful oops. So we came home to some pretty amazing news that our dishwasher was hooked up.
And we have
new plugs, yeah.
And also it's my birthday in 11 days.
Let's put some soap in this thing and start her up. Yeah.
In here?
Yeah, I think so.
Did that open? That?
I think we open it.
This?
Nope, I already put the jet dry
Oh, how do you fix this?
in here.
How do you fix this? How do you fix that? Where's it supposed to go?
Oh, in here.
Oh, okay. How do I unbox it?
Nope, you just put it right in.
Oh, okay. That good?
Yep.
Can we shut it?
Yep.
Ah! That hurt.
Okay.
Now we shut it?
Yep.
No that. Got one.
Oh, we gotta push the buttons on the top. Ooh, it's so fancy. It's gonna set. Is this? What is this? Oh, that's how long it takes, maybe.
On. It's on. And Nola, you gotta show Nola how precious she is. No. Nola, sit. Please sit. Alright. Check them out.